Welcome to a whole new shopping experience. Meet our digital human chatbot, your personal shopping assistant, ready to help you find the perfect dress tailored to your needs.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
Let's see the demo. Hi, I'm looking for a dress.
Hello. Let's find the perfect dress for you. Could you share your gender and size so I can show you the best options?
Female, size medium.
Thank you. What type of dress are you looking for? For example, casual, formal, or party wear?
Party wear.
Great choice. Let me show you some stunning party dresses available in your size. Here are some beautiful party dresses in size medium. This one is priced at $120. Would you like to see where it's available?
I'm in the store reception right now. From reception, where can I get the dress?
Welcome to Gray Matters. The dress you selected is on the first floor in the women's area near the party wear section, right to the shoes rack.
Our digital human chatbot is here to help everyone, everywhere, with its multilingual capabilities.
Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
First, bonjour, comment ça va aujourd'hui?
Shopping has never been this easy. Find your style, check store availability, and even get in-store directions, all with our digital human chatbot. Discover smarter shopping today. Visit graymatters.com.